If your chicken tastes like cardboard, your beef is a bore, and your pork is a snooze fest, you're in for a treat. Let's dive into some spice magic. First up, our zesty chicken mix. Combine 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Easy, right? Next, let's beef it up. Mix 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a dash of cayenne pepper. Bold and flavorful. Finally, for pork, blend 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Sweet and savory. Recap time. For chicken, paprika, garlic, onion, thyme, oregano. For beef, smoked paprika, cumin, chili powder, garlic, cayenne. For pork, brown sugar, smoked paprika, mustard powder. So grab these spices and transform your meat dishes today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tasty tips.